Hey guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Styletone box. I'm just looking at the viewfinder and I kind of overdid it with my so-called wow, I can't even pronounce it, Valentine's Day makeup, but it's kind of a lot of pink and purple. I think I overdid it, and the worst part of all is I actually have to go out and be human outside, so it's a lot. Okay, moving on. We got the Styletone box, like I said, and we're just gonna jump straight into the video, rip this sucker apart, because y'all know I can't slide it. There we go. Okay, and now let's open up the box, booklet, and oh, I love this paper. I think it's amazing. I really do enjoy it, but we're gonna rip it apart. Okay, so this is there something underneath? No, okay. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so first thing in the booklet is from Emite Makeup, and it's the Active Eye Light Concealer. Oh, this is a concealer? I actually thought it was a cream. Okay, so this is Melissa's? I don't know how to pronounce this. Active Eye Light Corrector, an anti-aging one, which is good because I'm almost 30 and gravity's a bitch. I'm just gonna be honest. So this is what that fella looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see anything, because in my viewfinder it's just white because of these lights, but since it is a concealer, I'm very eager to see what color. Oh, it does seem to be very light. I know you guys probably can't really see anything, but let's just smear it up, shall we? Oh yeah, that's definitely lighter than my skin tone. It's right over here. So this should work out perfectly fine. Okay, that's cool. And holy smokes, are you kidding me? They say, or they claim, I guess, that this Emite Active Light Concealer costs 27 euros. This is 30 bucks for one freaking concealer. Are you kidding me? I can get it cheaper at MAC. I'm gonna expect a lot. Because of the price point, I'm gonna expect a hell of a lot of this thing. I cannot wait to give it a try, and we shall see if it's worth the 27 euros or not. A little moisture. I got a little kitty drink, orange juice, like a real kid's orange juice, but I really like it. Moving on to what's number 2 in the booklet. I'm kind of going by booklet. It is from Lord & Berry Blush Crayon Camellia. It's a blush? I thought this was a lipstick. I'm just gonna be honest, but it is a blush. Yeah, crayon blush. Okay, it costs 15 euros, and obviously we're gonna swatch it. This is basically what that little fella looks like, and I will have to check. I think everybody got the same color, didn't they? I think they did, so I have to do it next to the concealer. Ooh, it is a very pretty color, but honestly, I'm wondering if I could use this particular color on the lips, because I prefer that than a blush. As y'all know, I'm not really into creamy blushes or whatever. I'm more into powder blushes. The only reason for that being, the older you get, guys, you can see these beauty gurus who are like in their beginning 20s, teens, 20s, or mid-20s, but the older, there's like one that I know of that is actually older, which is Tati Westbrook, Glam Life Guru, and her skin looks amazing, but I will immediately say she also pays a hell of a lot of money to make her skin look flawless. So, okay, let's just be honest. But the other gurus that you guys watch online are like 19, 20-year-old girls who have perfect skin. I used to have great skin when I was 19 and 20. Yeah, I didn't have pores. I didn't enlarge pores. I didn't have like these wrinkles that I have over here clearly. So the more you age, the bigger the pores will get, the more wrinkles you get, you name it. And with this kind of stuff and liquid blushes as well, when you put it on, you have enlarged pores. It will actually sit in your pores, and it just looks horrible. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually use this as a blush. I might just use it as a lipstick because it does feel pretty creamy. It doesn't feel dry at all, so I don't know. I'm just gonna give it a try. Did I mention the price? I think I did, but it is 15 euros. Okay, moving on to Skin and Tonic, which is, yeah, this. It's a lip balm, and y'all know I'm not really big into lip balms, so I already know I'm not going to use this at all. This is, oh, it doesn't have a flavor or whatever. Made with 3 ingredients: beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter. Okay, so it probably doesn't even have a smell. This little fella costs 4.95 cents. And I'm just going to be honest, like I said, I'm not going to use this, so I'm not even going to open it. I'm going to keep it like in here because I can always give it away or give it to my sister. She likes to use lotions. Wow, good day today. Not lotions, but like lip balms and such. So I'm probably going to pass this along to her. If I'm not going to pass it along to her, y'all will see it in a giveaway somewhere. Moving on to Ofra, and I actually really enjoy Ofra as a brand. So I'm really happy that we received something from them in here. This is a lip liner in, I think the color is called Cherish, am I right? I see 3 over here. So I'm just gonna assume that you could get 3 different colors. I think mine is the middle color. Let's give it a swatch. Ooh, it's very bright pink. Yep, that's the middle color. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but it's the last one right here. And it's a bright pink color, the last, like this swatch right here, the last one. This is, did I show? Wow, I'm on a roll today. So this is what that pencil looks like, the classic Ofra lip liners. I am extremely excited about lip liners. I love receiving lip liners. This fella costs, let's see, 13 euros. Okay, so I think this is the last item in the box. Ooh, and it's a big one. Yeah, box is empty. So this is from Double Dare Spa Jet 2-in-1 Mask Kit. What? 2-in-1 Soothing Mask Kit. Jet Super Hydrating. Oh, that's good. That is hydrating. Step 1. Soothing Microfiber Toilette. Towelette. I'm an idiot. Toilette. Really? That's something else. Towelette. Aloe, tea tree, and pomegranate. Okay. Smoothing, moisturizing, and detoxing. And then we have step 2, which is a super hydrating soothing mask, which has cactus fruit, rose hip, and hyaluronic acid. Also soothing, moisturizing, and detoxing. Wow, this is pretty cool. I will have to like read up on how to actually use this. But this is, I guess you're able to see it, hopefully. But this is what that fella looks like. So basically you have like step 1 over here, and then you have step 2 over here. It costs, let's see, it costs 9 euros. And this is actually perfect for when you're traveling like long distances. But I will be honest, will I use this for travel purposes? Probably not, because it is a mask and I love masks. So I'm probably just going to use it like a mask. It's hydrating, at least that's what it says over here, and hydration is what my skin kind of lacks. So this is actually perfect for my skin. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. That's basically what Styletone always promises, 5 full-size items. We got a mask, we got a lip liner, we got a blush, we got a concealer, and a lip balm. Honestly, I really enjoyed this box. I really do. The only thing in here that I'm not going to use is the lip balm, which is fine. And clearly the blush I'm probably going to use as a lipstick. I'll try it out once as a blush, and if I don't like it, I'm just going to try it out as a lipstick. But all in all, I really enjoyed this. And given the fact that like yesterday we had the Look Fantastic box, and that was not a freaking Valentine's Day box in my opinion at all. I'm not saying that these boxes necessarily portray themselves as, I don't know, a Valentine's Day box or Christmas box or whatever, but they do kind of, you know, let it be mentioned at least in the booklet. And like with the Look Fantastic box yesterday, we had a beautiful like red and pink box. It's actually, that really does look like a Valentine's Day box. But honestly, on the inside, it really wasn't. And with this box, I mean, we got a lip liner, a concealer, a blush. Once again, I'm going to use this as a lipstick, a lip balm, and a mask. So basically everything that I can use on Valentine's Day in Valentine's Day colors, not like a super brown color as always, but actually Valentine's Day colors, which I really do prefer. And I don't know, I enjoyed this box. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!